Hi everyone, Ainsworth Edmond here, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to sign up for PGI. If you have been following my YouTube channel, you know that PGI is my number one income opportunity that I'm a part of. And as my team grows and as the Project 1000 group grows, then videos like this are very important. Now, you might be asking, what is PGI? If you are watching this, if this means that you might have seen the presentation PGI. Project 1000 is all about helping 100 persons earn $1,000 online. And we are using this vehicle called PGI. Now, so today's video is the first in the Get Started series, how to sign up for PGI. Now, if you are going to sign up for PGI, that means you will have to get a referral link from someone who is already a part of PGI. Now, if you are new and you are watching this and you want to build your team, and you may say, where do I get my referral links? This is where you find them right below your name and the date you activated. You will see your referral links. Shareable links is the same referral link. So if you want to send someone your right link, you would copy and you want to email them or send them a message, you can easily just send them and then you paste it wherever. If you notice, it says PGI Global Trade and the username. If let me open it in another page and I'll show you how it looks. Control Z. And when you open it, another page, this is what you will see. So ensure that you see that it's sponsored by and that you are the sponsor. All right. So that if you have the person beside you and you want to do it on your same device that you're on, you can just simply click on it and it will open in another page. So that is two ways that you can use your referral link when you want to sign up with someone. If the person is right beside you at the time, all you need to do is click on the link, it opens and it's like this. Or you can copy the link and paste it, right? So if you want the person to go on the right, you send them, you click on the right, you copy the right link. You want them to go to the left, you copy the left. In your first left and right, to one on the left and one right, I would recommend that you copy the direct link. The weak leg copy link is when the system automatically plays the persons for you. So that. Now your username, before you go any further, please take your time. This is not a race. Relax when you're signing up for PGI because it's very important that you put the correct information. Someone called me today that someone signed up using their first name and last name is the same thing. That is not on your ID. Please ensure that your full name and birthday match your national ID to ensure smooth withdrawal, bonus withdrawals after due to KYC requirement. So I'm going to do this. And your password should be at least 8 characters for your password. 8 characters. Has to have in a capital, numbers, and a special character. Right. So please ensure that is something that you can remember and write down your details because you're going to need them. All right. So this is important when you are. I'm just making up something here. You and another thing, the person must be more than 18 to be a part of PGI. So that is something that you should ensure the person is more than 18. Um, when they are doing this. When you're putting in your email, ensure that it's an email that you have access to, because I see too many persons who are signing up, and when they sign up, they can't access their emails. So those are very important stuff. Your address. All right. For the zip, I use, if you're a Jamaican, we don't have a zip code. So I use zeros, 5 zeros. All right. Accept the terms and condition and click create. So it says data has been saved. It's going to say that it is sending a email confirmation. All right. Don't have to save that. So the next step from here, all right, is to go to your email to confirm that. All right. Because without receiving the email, you will not be able to log in. So as you see here, it says that greetings, hello. Yes, oh, hello is welcome. Greet. Open sesame. And so the email has now arrived. So it's a welcome. Thank you for registration. All right. This is where you click. Usually, I just tell persons click on verification, but I've just taken the time out to read this. It said, please place or move your PGI emails to your inbox. All right. To ensure that the emails come straight to you. The verification codes and so forth. So it's good to whitelist the email, that whenever PGI is sending your emails, they will come directly to your email box, instead of your spam or your promotions. All right. So this is what will come up. It's a smooth to ensure smooth withdrawal. Please update your BTC address. We'll be going through all of this. You can close here. All right. The next step would be to select a package, but that is it for today. All right. That is how you sign up for PGI. And then the next step will be selecting a package. So that is it. For persons who, after you sign up, right, and you have closed this out, right, and you're not purchasing a package today, but you want to go back to log into PGI. I see some persons having this issue of not being able to log in after, right? What I recommend that you do this. You type in, and see, you type in here PGI Global trade, right? And it's going to open back here because it's already open, I think. Well, it's supposed to carry, yes, it carries you to the website, and it will not say my account, but you will see the option to log in. That is all you need to do. All right. So hope this was helpful. I will continue with another video in the series of how to get started. So this was how to get to sign up and get your verification email. And I hope this was very helpful for you. Oh, but before I go, please remember to like, share this video with your team, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.